Hello guys, we'll discuss this problem. Question number 12 of JEE Advanced 2023 paper 1. This question is of vectors 3D. This is a very good problem. This says that let P be the plane square root 3x plus 2y plus 3z equals 16 and let S be a set of vectors such that alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square equal to 1 and distance of alpha beta gamma from plane P is 7 over 2. Let u, v, w with three distinct vectors in S such that u minus v mod is equal to v minus w mod is equal to w minus u mod. Let V be the volume of parallel pipe determined by the vectors u, v, w and the value of ATV by root 3. Now, this is a very good problem. To understand this thing better, we'll break this problem into parts. So first of all, let us understand this thing. So we have three vectors u minus v mod equal to v minus w mod equal to u minus w minus u mod. So if I take u minus v mod is equal to v minus w mod and take square both side, u minus v mod square we can write as mod u square plus mod v square minus 2 u dot v. Similarly, v minus w mod will be mod v square plus mod w square minus 2 v dot w. Now, mod u, mod v, mod w, all of them are 1 because they all are unit vectors. So this and this, all this get cancelled out. Minus also will get cancelled out. 2 also get cancelled out. Yet u dot v equal to v dot w. Doing same on the next, we can conclude that v dot u, u dot w, w dot v all will be same. So we just assume them to be k. So we just leave it here now. To find the volume of parallel pipe determined by the vectors u, v, w. The volume of parallel pipe will be box UVW. So how do you find box UVW? We can say box UVW square will be u dot u, u dot v, u dot w, v dot u, v dot v, v dot w, w dot u, w dot v, w dot w. So u dot u, v dot v, w dot w will be just 1 and rest all of them will be k. So when you solve the determinant, we'll end up with 1 plus 2k cube minus 3k square. So the volume of parallel pipe will be square root of this thing. So now we have to find the value of k. Okay, moving ahead. How do you find the value of k? Now this thing will come into play, this plane thing. Let us try to understand here. What are they saying? The distance of the point from the plane is 7 over 2. Now, in the 3D space, if you have a plane, I'll just draw it as a line here. Now, if you have to find the locus of point, which is at a distance of 7 by 2 from this plane, let us say this plane is P1, you want to find locus of those points which are located at a distance of 7 by 2 from this plane. What will the locus be? It will come out to be two parallel planes at a distance of 7 by 2. Okay, so like one is up, one will be down. So all the points which are located at a distance of 7 by 2 from plane P1 will lie on either P2 or P3. And all these three planes are parallel to each other. Now, so we'll try to find the plane which is parallel to the given plane at a distance of 7 by 2. The given plane is root 3x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 16. A plane which is parallel to this we can write as root 3x plus 2y plus 3z equal to lambda. Now distance between parallel planes, the difference of constant by root a square plus b square plus c square. When we do that, you get 4 So you get 16 minus lambda mod equal to 14. So lambda will be equal to 2 or minus 30. So we got two planes, but you will see that the value lambda minus 30 will have to neglect because this plane won't intersect the sphere. Which sphere I'm talking about? We'll discuss next. See, using alpha I cap plus beta j cap plus gamma k cap such that alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square equal to 1 and the distance of alpha beta gamma from the plane is 7 by 2. If I see this point alpha comma beta comma gamma, this point is located at a distance of 1 from the origin. So all the points which are at a distance of 1 from the origin will lie on a sphere. In 3D geometry, like if it happens in 2D geometry, it is a circle. In 3D geometry, it will be a sphere. A sphere will be having center as origin and radius will be 1. So now this point will lie on the sphere also and will lie on the plane we have found out. You can see the distance of the point from the origin at max should be 1 only. It is equal to 1 only. So when you will take lambda as minus 30, you will see the distance from origin will be more than 1. So this will neglect. So lambda equal to 2 only will work. So we get the plane as root 3x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 2 is our plane. So now our point alpha comma beta comma gamma lie on this plane also. It lies on the sphere also. So see, this is gonna be 3D figure, but I'm just drawing it in the 2D. Let us say this is a sphere and this is the plane. Whenever a plane cuts a sphere, we get a circle. So this thing will be a circle. I'm just finding the perpendicular distance of origin from that plane, and we can just use the distance formula. Distance from origin to the plane we refer to as d will come out to be 2 over 4, that is 1 by 2. Now this is the circle that we get by the intersection of sphere and the plane. Now our point can lie anywhere on this circle. Now we have to take three vectors u, v, w. So can we, I'll just assume them to be position vectors. So u vector will be one of these, v vector will be one of these, w will be one of these. And what is special about them? They are equidistant from each other. So u minus v mod equal to v minus w mod equal to w minus u mod. So we take 3 points on the circle which are equidistant from each other, and if we join them, they will make an equilateral triangle. C will be the center of the circle, and the perpendicular distance from origin to that circle to the plane will be center of this circle. So this perpendicular distance OC is D, which is 1 by 2. That will give you the perpendicular distance of center to origin. Now, if we complete the triangle OCU, now this will be a right angle triangle. You know, distance of U from origin is 1. This distance OC is 1 by 2. From here, we can find the distance CU using Pythagoras. It come out to be square root 3 by 2. So now we have an equilateral triangle. CU will be its circumradius. So if we have circumradius, we can find the length of side using the formula UV equal to 2 UC sine 60. The formula is A is equal to 2R sine A. Now put the value of UC square root 3 over 2 sine 60 square root 3 over 2 into 2, we get 3 by 2. And using the value of UV is the side length here. You know, we can write UV as V minus U mod also. So V minus U mod is 3 by 2, and v minus u mod square is mod v square plus mod u square minus 2 v dot u. So this is 3 by 2 square will become 9 over 4 equal to 1 plus 1 minus 2 v dot u. Here the v dot u value is minus 1 over a, which is the value of k also. And to find the volume, we discussed already. The box ABC square was 1 plus 2k cube minus 3k square. So volume will be square root of this thing, put k as minus 1 over 8. After we simplify, we get volume to be 9 square root 3 over 16. They're asking the value of ETV over square root 3, which when you put, you get 45. That will be your final answer.